So, Mr. Shakil, can you tell me what are the home remedies in order to clear clogged drains?
Yeah, it's very simple. You can pour half cup of baking soda in drain and add half cup of vinegar in it and wait for 15 minutes and you can flush out with really hot water. So you will find means you can easily clean your clothes. Add equal quantity of salt, baking soda and vinegar and pour into it and wait for 1 hour and uh, drain with hot water. So that is also a
Okay. So, you mean to say I have to add equal quantities of salt, vinegar, and baking soda? Okay.
Yeah.
After 1 hour, I need to pour hot water into the drain?
Yes.
Okay.
Another step is also there, like add a half cup of salt and equal quantity of baking soda and sprinkle over the drain and flush it out with the hot water.